Super Kids! Welcome to Super Kids Fit. Today we'll move, stretch, and have lots of fun together.
Get ready to feel strong and happy. Take a big deep breath. Let's begin.
Stand tall like a giant shining star. Stretch your arms and legs wide and strong. Step 1 foot back, bend your front knee, and open your arms like a brave warrior. Now switch sides. Bend your knees like you're sitting on an invisible chair. Keep your tummy strong. Bend forward and let your head relax down like a soft, sleepy doll. Sit on your heels and stretch your arms forward to rest like a calm little turtle. Sit tall on your heels and take slow, peaceful breaths. Cross your arms and legs like a balancing eagle. Now try the other side. Bend your knees, slide your arms under your legs, and hold your feet like a tiny turtle hiding in its shell. Lie on your tummy and lift your chest like a friendly cobra snake looking forward.
Great job, Super Kids! You did amazing today! If you had fun, subscribe to Super Kids Fit so you don't miss any fun routines. Bye-bye!